Hello guys, my name is Geet and I'm going to be preparing an avocado shake today. But firstly, I would like to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. The ingredients for this recipe are 2 avocados, some Nutella and milk. First, you take your cut avocados, which I've already done for a shorter time, into your blender. Then, you add 3 spoons of Nutella into your blender. Then add your milk. Start blending. Now you pour your ready avocado milkshake into a glass. Have it, mommy. Enjoy. Very, very tasty avocado milkshake coming right up. Thank you, Geet. You're welcome. Hello, guys. I had made this milkshake because it has protein omega-3 fatty acids in it. And also, I hope you enjoyed my video. And happy Mother's Day to every mother out there.